Marketing your home business, tips and tricks. Opening your own home business can be one of the scariest and most rewarding moments of your life. Although you are taking a very large risk, you also have a lot to gain when you are successful. This video contains some tips to help make sure you remain successful and enjoy your company. Find out how to accept credit card purchases for your home business. There are several wonderful websites online that can help you with the process. You can also check with your bank to see if they can help. You need to make it as convenient as possible for people to buy your product. If it is a hassle, they probably will not want to bother completing the deal. Seek out a mentor. A mentor is someone who has been where you are. A mentor can lend a kind ear or give you business advice. There are many organizations full of experienced people who would like to help people just starting out. All you have to do is ask. Write a short description of your business, focusing on your values and goals. This allows you to provide an explanation about your business and where you intend for it to go. This area should also include information on your business and what makes you better than your competition. If you want to make great profits from your home business, it is important to find a business niche. Unless you are a huge company, it is not realistic to market your business products to everyone. You must find your niche and target ads directly to them. Focusing on the right niche will give you a huge advantage by making your marketing easier. Although there are hundreds of variables at play that cause a specific company to be successful, you can do several things to help keep yourself in control. This video is just the beginning of the information you will need to gather in order to continue increasing the traffic of your home business. Student loan.